In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App without verifying identity. So using Cash App without verifying your identity is actually possible, but it comes with significant limitations due to security and regulatory requirements. So here's a concise guide based on available information. So basically, you would go ahead and download Cash App from the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, and you want to sign up using an email address or a phone number. You could also use a virtual or temporary phone number for added privacy. And then afterwards, you will need to link a debit card or a bank account to send and receive money. And if you guys are curious, you can skip linking a bank account, but transactions will be limited to your Cash App balance. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some of the limitations of unverified accounts. So number one is transaction limits. So you can send up to $250 per week and up to $1,000 per month. So there is a lot of restrictions when it comes to how much you can actually send and receive. And next up, let's go ahead and talk about feature restrictions. So if you do not verify your account, you're not going to have access to the Cash App card, Bitcoin trading, stock investing, or direct deposits. And also there are increased risks because unverified accounts are more susceptible to locks or restrictions if suspicious activity is detected. So if you're trying to use Cash App without verification, try to stay within limits. So plan transactions to stay under the 250 weekly sending and $1,000 monthly receiving caps. Split larger payments into smaller amounts if you need to. And also try to use a debit card because linking a debit card allows sending and receiving money without a bank account, staying within the limit. So again, just keep all of that in mind whenever you're trying to use Cash App without verifying. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.